So, all right, here's the NASDAQ. NASDAQ looks identical to the S&P. There's not really much to talk about. We haven't seen the golden cross yet, but the price action looks almost identical. Let's see what oil futures are doing. They're grinding higher. XLE, now that hasn't moved in 2 months. And price has, and the MACD hasn't moved in 2 months. It's a tough trade. Let's look at financials. We talked about in the market video update midweek that this was going to come down, maybe touch the bottom of the wedge or come close, and it's going to come right back. And that's exactly what it's doing. Unfortunately, we got stopped out on a Bank of America when this happened. And, oh, by the way, I did have the statistics. I wrote them down, I believe. 128 stocks have engaged this year. 10 losers. 6 no scales. 112 winners, which I believe, let's see if I could just do the math. I can't. Thought I was smarter than that. Oops. I don't know what all that stuff is. What is that? What I say? 112 divided by 128. And I'm not a good typer. 87%. So right now, I mean, it's credible. 87% win rate. And if some of those no scales turn into wins, you're talking close to 90% again, which is, it's absolutely unheard of. So let's look at IWM. It has rules to engage. And another thing I might consider starting doing this video is maybe looking at 3-month charts. It's easier to look at these, but I want to show where we've been too. You see a death cross and things like that. So anyway, the price is right there. Price is above the 10 SMA. It's not leading. I still like the NASDAQ. I like the Dow Jones a lot, to be honest with you. And I'm probably going to put that trade on. IYT looks pretty good. And we need some leadership. So we don't have it in the banks. We don't really have it in energy. Transports are in an uptrend. What's an uptrend? 2-day close above the 10 SMA. Second day close higher than the first day's intraday high. That's an uptrend. MACD bull cross. That's interesting. IBB. That's a wedge pattern just like the XLF. That's very, very difficult to trade. And I don't see too much to do there. UDOW looks very good. I think UDOW goes back to 100. And then I think we're going higher in UDOW. Gold, sloppy, gaps everywhere. Stay away. You know I've been bullish bonds. This is another bull flag. This is a bull flag above a bull flag above a bull flag. This one might not work. Why? Bonds usually don't run like Amazon or Apple. Usually they come back and fill. And it's very possible we could come back and fill before we go higher in bonds. And we got to remember, those options and bonds were up, 130% or something like that. It's maybe even more. I think it was maybe 150%. It's insane. Insane. The return on just bonds, the bond options that engage from our engagement spreadsheet focus list. Imagine that.